small.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I know this is your final week of freedom for a lot of you, so I wanted to get this vlog out there and hang out with you guys before you head to school, head out to a new job, maybe you're going away for school, I don't know. But like I said, this is one of the last weeks of summer, so I wanted to get this vlog out to hang out with you guys. My mom came to visit this week and she brought us cake and a bunch of other things I forgot to show you in today's vlog, but I'll show you in the next one. Then I meal prepped for the rest of the afternoon and went shopping Friday afternoon. Okay, so can we appreciate how many fall and Halloween things are already out at Winners? I was so excited to see all of the decor, the clothes. I just love autumnal season because it's so cozy to me. I love Halloween, and yeah. I couldn't really control myself when it came to the cat mug that you guys saw earlier. But anyways, when I got home, I did some ballet and some pointe. My balance has been so off lately, and I have no idea why. Actually, I'm guessing it's because I haven't done a proper ballet class in a really long time. Now, that being said, I've been super active in a way that I've been going on a lot of walks. I've been taking Elsa out a lot on hikes. I've been teaching a lot, but clearly I have not been doing my core work based on that balance alone. So it was a very good thing that I got back into the swing of things because, as I will state later on, I was invited to do a little bit of a performance in the next couple of weeks, and guys, I am in no way, shape, or form ready to go on stage. Am I ready? No, like I just said. Do I want to? I don't really know. Should I do it? Probably. It'd probably be good for me, for my self-confidence, and it would probably be good to have a goal to work towards, because as much as I love the Apple Fitness Plus workouts, I miss having a goal in a ballet class, like a performance. Especially as a former professional dancer, I always had the goal of going on stage, getting through Act 1, 2, 3, 4 of Swan Lake. You know, goals like that. So please tell me in the comments down below if you think I should take on this challenge.
Outfit of the day for some errands. It's Saturday, August 29th, I believe. 24th. Wow, I'm really ahead of my day. And I did a ballet class last night, cooked some dinner. I just chilled the rest of the night. I thought about having a bubble bath and relaxing, but by the time I thought about that, he was done playing his game. So that sounds so dramatic. Steve was done playing his games. I mean, literally, he was playing like video games. So by the time he was done, we watched some Dr. House until like midnight. And then we got up this morning, had breakfast, and now we're about to go garage sale shopping / dump run / Home Depot, and I just did skincare. But the problem is when I use this super moisturizing stuff is that when I put makeup on and mascara, it gets everywhere. Like every time I blink, I feel like it's all over the place. But anyways, and I'm also wearing the Maybelline Matte Ink Lipstick. This is my outfit. I'm wearing this. I thrifted this dress. I think I also thrifted, but I think maybe it's from like H&M originally. This I definitely thrifted and I have no idea where it's from. And Apple Watch, rings as always, earrings that are my mom's that she gave to me. I just love the gold hoops, and sunglasses. I think I thrifted these too. That's the look. Checking things off, very important. Oh. Coffee. We just got back, well, meaning back a couple of hours ago. It's looking pretty dim outside. It looks like it's gonna rain. I really hope it doesn't. Did it already start to rain? No, it didn't. But I'm just going to start cleaning up the house because it's Saturday, and when I don't have anything else to do on Saturdays, what I love to do is either get ready for the work week early so I can enjoy my Sunday, or clean the house, because tomorrow we're going to be doing some work outside, refinishing the deck, or at least doing some stuff to help finish the deck. We're actually finishing the deck next week, but we're just getting it prepped. We just got back from lunch as well, and we were just chilling, watching Dr. House MD, and I got changed into some comfy clothes so I can vacuum and be comfy, and I need the coffee to motivate me, so let's vacuum. My life is so exciting.
You lied.
Did you get caught in the rain?
You said it wasn't gonna rain.
Hi guys, I've got a lot of laundry to catch up on, so I'm going to do that. Maybe watch some shows while I do that. And this morning we just kind of chilled. Steve's pretty upset because our deck has been more problems because previous owners used some paint, but the paint won't come off and we really wanted to stain it because it's better for the wood. But it looks like that paint really doesn't want to come off, so we're probably just gonna stain over top of it, which is fine. It's definitely not the route that we had planned for and hoped for, but he's smart. He's gonna figure out some ways. And this morning all I did was like vacuum, clean up a little bit here and there, and now I'm just gonna fold some laundry, put it away. Next weekend we are away on a trip, not this coming weekend, but I guess the one after that, at the end of August we're on a trip. I'm really excited for that. I need to get my stuff together to start because I'm also going to potentially be performing on this trip. I haven't quite decided yet, but basically the people at the trip have asked me to do the talent show, and I don't know. Honestly, I'm like very overwhelmed with work right now because I'm starting this new job and there's just a lot going on, which is another reason I haven't been vlogging or posting online as often. So I'm kind of undecided as to whether or not I want to add another thing to my plate, and the other thing being performing in front of thousands of people. So I don't know, comment if I should perform in front of thousands of people because it's been a long time since I've done that, and I don't know, I feel like the nerves would set in. Also, it's at a talent show, so like people who are going aren't just there to see ballet, so I don't know how it's going to go over. Like, I don't know if people are just going to want to see like other kinds of talent that's a little bit more exciting, and I know ballet is exciting, but like it's not to many people. You know what I mean? I think you guys know what I mean. So please help a girl out and tell me what I should do. But I'm gonna continue folding the laundry. I am watching Love is Blind UK and I'm awaiting the reunion that comes out tomorrow. I'm really excited for the reunion to come out. I'll be at work tomorrow though. I think I work from like 9 a.m. until 5, so 9 to 5 tomorrow, and the classes that I am teaching are in-person private, so I won't have much of an opportunity to catch up. But I don't think it airs until like 9 p.m. UK time, which would be, I don't know, what, like 2 p.m. here or something like that. I'm not that good at math, but I'm just gonna guess that's right. So maybe by the time I get home tomorrow, after I teach my online or in-person people, it'll be up. Fingers crossed. We watched Immaculate last night, Sydney Sweeney's horror movie, and it was so good. It was really, really well done. I just really love her. I think she's such a talented actress. She's such a cool person. She's stunning. She's talented, like I already said, and she's just so talented in so many aspects, like the fact that she was refinishing or working with like trucks and old cars. I think that's so cool. She's really inspirational because she's a great actress, but she's also a producer, and she's so young. What the heck? Anyways, if you can't figure out who my girl crush of the month is. But yeah, we watched that late last night, and then we went to bed, and we woke up at 10 a.m. guys. We went to bed at like 11:30, like not that late. It was 11 o'clock the last time I checked the clock. The last time I checked the time, it was 11 a.m. So I figured we went to bed around 11:30 because, you know, doing your skincare, shower, whatever. It was probably 11:30 by the time we hit the hay. And we slept until 10 a.m., which was sleeping in quite a lot for us. We don't generally sleep in that much, so it was kind of needed, kind of necessary, kind of nice, I'm not gonna lie. That being said, I didn't get to edit this vlog. I was kind of hoping to like film some things, show you guys what I got at Winners the last time I went, which was a few days ago, which I'll still do after I fold all this laundry and put it away. I was hoping to show you guys what I got at Winners and then answer a few questions you guys asked me on Instagram. So I'll do that after I fold some laundry, put it away, and yeah, just wind down before the week starts because I have a super busy week full of work and exciting things. So gonna continue on this. Currently 7 p.m. and I'm gonna wash my face. I haven't washed my face at all today. I just realized that. I'm gonna wash my face with some of the new face wash that I bought at Winners, and I'll show you guys tomorrow what I got at Winners just because it's getting pretty late. We're gonna watch a movie and then we're also going to have dinner, so I probably won't vlog for the rest of the day, but I got this hyaluronic acid facial soap that's cruelty-free and vegan. I've been using this lately and it's really good. And then I also got some Korean skincare, this vitamin C cleansing foam. I kind of want to give this one a try, so let's open it and give it a go. I just really like the packaging too. It's so cute. And like I said, it was from Winners, so yeah, it was pretty inexpensive. This was $6.99 and this was $5.99. I really like the container for this, I will say. I do want to give this one a go, so I'm going to try it. It says apply proper amount to make foam, massage thoroughly over face and gently remove with water. So I'm not sure if I use the foam first without water. It seems like it. Wow, my face definitely feels clean. I am going to apply some eye cream from Glow Recipe, the Guava Vitamin C Brightening Eye Gel Cream, and I just apply it underneath my eye. I don't have much left. I just love nighttime skincare routine. It's just so calming, it's so rejuvenating, and yeah, I just love having a nighttime skincare routine and having the time for it as well. I'm also going to use the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner from the Glow Recipe. Super viscous. I'm gonna let that soak in.
Like I said, I just love winding down after a long week or at the end of the weekend with some skincare, an in-depth routine, drinking plenty of water, and this is the new sweatsuit that I got at Winners, and it's so comfy and cozy. I had a little bit of a snack while watching Jackpot, the movie with Steve. It was really good. It was really funny, and it was a great way to end the weekend Sunday night. When it was Monday, I went to the studio and got some food.
I got the Buddha saute. It's so good. Love it. Extra sauce.
I finished teaching at like 2 o'clock, so I went back home, had a midday coffee, and got ready to teach for the rest of the evening.
Okay, hi guys. It's super sunny, but as promised, I'm going to show you what I got at Winners. Now, one of the things that I got at Winners was the sweatsuit, so the sweater and the sweatpants that I wore last night, which you guys would have seen already. It's just really soft material, and I wanted something cozy and comfy that I could go into after showering or having a bubble bath, something cozy and comfy, like I said already. And mom, don't watch this, skip ahead. I got this for my mom because I thought this was so cute, and I just like the sayings on them. I'm her boo, I'm his witch. I thought that was funny. I literally could not resist. I have so many mugs in this house, and I've told myself time and time again that I'm cut off from getting mugs because I have so many mugs, but I literally couldn't resist. I also got this candle. It's so cute. It says Boo, and it's in the scent, I don't know, but it smells really good. And I got another candle, which I forgot downstairs, so I'm gonna go get it. Okay, so this one is supposed to smell like pumpkin and bourbon, and it smells so good. I love this brand as well. I just love it. It's Natural Wax Blend. And like I said, I would answer some questions that you guys asked me on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get into it. First question, do you think hip hop and ballet go good together? I think that if you're a dancer who wants to be a multifaceted, multi-talented dancer, it's good to do everything. Would I say that ballet and hip hop go together in a way that looks like Save the Last Dance? Personally, this is just personal because dance is subjective. This is a subjective question and answer. Yeah, why not? Anything can go together. But to be honest, I'm not a hip hop person, so I would look silly doing ballet and hip hop together. Are you single? No, I'm not. Do you have a routine to care for your feet? I do not, unfortunately. Oh. Sometimes on bad days, I would like soak them in Epsom salts or just have a bubble bath. I'm an adult ballet. When I do pirouettes, I get really dizzy. What can I do to overcome this problem? Spotting. Spotting is your number one friend when it comes to pirouettes. Which actress do you want to play? Which actress would you want to play you in the biopic of your life? Oh, that's hard. I don't know. There's so many actresses that I really like. A lot of people say I look like Emily Browning, so maybe her because she looks like me, but I don't really know what else she's in. I don't really know. Guys, comment what actress you think would play me. Well, I don't really know, to be honest. I like Sydney Sweeney a lot because I just watched Immaculate, but she doesn't look anything like me at all. What do you enjoy most about ballet? That's a great question. I feel like the thing I like most about ballet is honestly the work that goes into it and the amount of dedication that's required to get good at something. I just always liked that journey of self-improvement and working hard towards a goal. So My favorite thing about ballet is the journey itself. When you started with ballet, did you have a problem with, for example, with hips mobility and how to deal? My biggest problem was that I was pretty mobile and hypermobile. My biggest problem was being able to control my body and also picking up choreography and also strength. Like jumps were my biggest problem when it comes to technique when I was younger. I always had problems with jumps, like just getting off the floor, literally getting off the floor in a jump. I didn't have the strength or the stamina. And that's something that troubled me even as a professional, like getting my heels down on the floor, one-footed jumps I suck at. I shouldn't say suck at, I'm just not the strongest in them. So that's my biggest struggle, I would say. But that's everything that I'm gonna go through because Steve and I are gonna go do some yoga together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was kind of short, but let me know in the comments down below what you wanna see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.